Saweetie.
Alright YouTube, we're doing another food review. We're going to be reviewing the McDonald's Saweetie meal, which consists of a Big Mac, fries, 4-piece chicken McNugget, if I can show that, or Sprite soda. Focus camera. These things are working like pretty junk lately. I might have to get a new camera soon, but yeah. As I could say, Sprite, apologies if the camera goes out of focus, it's yeah. But yeah, and then sweet and sour with barbecue sauce. Let's see, we're going to start off with the Big Mac as always. Oh, I should probably get the thumbnail. Go quick. There we go. And alright, we are going to be taking a bite of the Big Mac. Now this is not a mukbang video, so this is just going to be a classic food review. Let's see how it tastes. Here we go. We're going to be opening the Saweetie and sour sauce. So I'm going to put the camera down real quick. As you can see, here it is. And here's my dog. Trying to lift my leg. No. And my dogs are. They're addicted.
Look at the dogs.
But yeah. Now we are going to be doing the Saweetie and sour sauce. See how it tastes. Here we go. Let's try a Big Mac. Oh, sorry, let's dip the Big Mac in it. I'm gonna make room for it. Because why not? Yeah, I'm just gonna pour a little bit on the Big Mac. And so I apologize if this food review is it's not as great as my other ones. I'll probably do a second take in the future, but. Alright, let's see how it tastes. Here we go. Let's dip a fry. Watch it. Sorry, I choked. Wash it down with some Sprite. Eight out of 10. Highly recommend. That's it. Oh, I just realized I was supposed to do a barbecue sauce also. I do not want to get a ton of dislikes because I forgot to do the barbecue sauce, and of course that would be on me. Although it not having the custom on it, the custom stuff on it, threw me off. See how it tastes. Here we go. Let's dip this. That's it.